Do you ever titubate? Sometimes I do. It doesn't mean what you think it means. And this is Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Today's word is titubate, T-I-T-U-B-A-T-E. It comes from a Latin word which means to reel, and we use it to describe staggering or walk unsteadily. So if you've ever had a bit too much to drink sometime, you might be prone to titubating. When I'm recording this, we're right in the middle of October, and we're right in the middle of everybody's favorite season, pumpkin spice season. Today I'm going to use the word titubate to design a logo for a flavored whiskey. There's a lot of flavored whiskeys going around now. It's kind of becoming a more popular thing. Probably not in favor with a lot of the really staunch whiskey aficionados, but there is a lot of flavored whiskeys available out there. There's maple cream flavored, there's smoky maple, I've seen a bacon flavored whiskey, which I would love to try. There's honey flavored, that's been around for a while. You've got your things like cinnamon flavored, so like Fireball, and there's a couple other brands I can think of. There's some infused with botanicals that are kind of leaning towards a gin sort of infusion. We've got pecan flavored, we've got peach flavored. I've seen chipotle flavored whiskey. There's a hops flavored whiskey, ginger. We just had a peanut butter flavored whiskey, which seems a little strange, but it was really good when mixed with some creme de cacao to make kind of a Reese's martini. So today what I'm going to do is design a logo for a pumpkin spice flavored whiskey. I know I'll probably take a lot of flack for it, but it's what I do for you. So like usual, I'm going to start off with sketching some rough ideas, and then we're going to move into Illustrator, refine one of those concepts a little bit further, and then take that into making up some design mock-ups. So let's get started and see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. My name is Aaron, and I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. Every week, right here, I design a logo based on a random weird word. I hope that pumpkin spice doesn't make you titubate, but that you're enjoying what you're seeing here on the channel. If you do like it, subscribe to the channel. That makes a big difference, and I appreciate it. You know what to do. Click the button, ring the bell, and every week you'll get a notification of the next episode of Fast Logo Friday. That'll be awesome. We'll see you next week right here with Square Thunder on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.